Hello there, welcome to Science, Mr. Robertson, and today's video is on different types of energy. Now, we've spoken about different energy sources and how I can get energy from oil, coal, gas, I can get energy from winds, waves, solar, you name it. But there's different types of energy that I can talk about as well. For example, you can hear my voice right now. So there is a sound energy. A sound energy that, of course, moves through the vibrations. All the sound particles hitting each other. There could be like a light energy. And, of course, streams of light that may travel. The difference here is that this needs to have a material to go through, whereas this could go through anything, or nothing. Light can travel through a vacuum. It's able to travel through the depth of space without losing any energy. There's many more that I could talk about. I keep getting a middle list. Like electric energy. Electric energy, which is the movement of electrons. We'll talk about those later on, I'm sure. Electrons, the idea that something is moving around. There's all something in common here. Heat energy, even. You know, you've got different particles there. They get more energy, and they get hotter, and hotter, and hotter. All of these here are an example of what we would say is a kinetic or moving energy. There's lots of different types of energy that have things that move. Movement is energy. Electricity is the movement of those electrons going around the wire. They are moving, that gives the energy. The sound waves, that's all the air bouncing off each other. It's moving. Something getting hotter, it's vibrating more, hotter and hotter, moving around more. It's movement. There are lots of different types of energy, but really they're all kinetic. They're all movement energy. What kind of? Kinetic is one type of energy. The other type of energy is what I call potential energy. Whoa. Potential energy is energy that has a potential to happen. It might happen. It maybe will happen. That's a potential energy. Kinetic is energy happening now. Potential is energy that could happen. So I can lift my pen up, and when I let go, maybe now, maybe not now, there's a potential for it to fall. Not now, not now, now. And then that potential turns into kinetic. By lifting something up, I give it gravitational energy. Think of it as something at the top of the hill and roll down. It can get kinetic energy just from moving downwards. It has a potential energy. It also could be maybe in an elastic energy. Like if I stretch a band, I can stretch it, or I can stretch my shirt. I'm putting energy into it. There's a potential for it to move back, and when I let go, it does go back. So there's a difference there. It goes to an elastic energy. Another one could be a chemical energy. So this would be, for example, maybe your oil, or your coal, or your gas, or something. Because I could use that energy, and I could burn it, and it gets hotter, so things are moving around more. There's a potential with the fuel that I can make new energy. But I have to burn it. I have to do something to get the energy out of it. These things are potential energy. And we do this every day because the food we eat, it's a chemical energy. The food we eat is a chemical energy because we eat it, and in our bodies, there's a chemical reaction to get the energy out for us to move, to keep warm, to do all those things. So you've got the gravitational, you've got the potential, this can happen, and the kinetic, this is happening now. Lots of different types of energies. Enjoy.